I'm working outside today in the stables, I'm going to wear a mask so that I don't inhale any of the overspray while I'm painting. I should be wearing eye protection, but it's a little humid out today and it keeps fogging up, and I'd rather see what I'm doing, so I'm not doing it. Now this piece has been primed. As you can see, it's ready to go, and it's been hanging. That's one of the easiest ways to paint a light fixture. This happens to be a candelabra that I'm going to hang in my patio. So let's get started with painting it. I've chosen a cream color. I don't want white. Everything in the space is either cream, green, red. So this is my choice for today. Let's get started. You want to make sure you shake up your paint really well. You take short, even bursts. Oops. Oops. See, I'm getting a little bit of a run. That's what happens when you spray too long. So today I painted this candelabra chandelier because it was black and I really didn't want black in my space. I wanted something a little bit softer and prettier to go with the decor in the room. So I painted it cream. And next up, you'll see it installed. I do need to run out and buy some candles though. I'll see you back here.